How are you two all? I think or I hope all of you feel good. Stay safe at home and take care yourself. Welcome to my class, beta. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 4 of our social science book, and the name of the chapter is Our Beautiful Country. And you know what is the name of our country? India is our country, you know very well. And we all live in Asia continent. Asia is the largest continent in the world. You know very well. Let us read the chapter, beta. The earth is made up of land and water. The earth is made up of land and water. That means जो हमारी अर्थ है ये land and water से मिलकर बनी है. Around 29% of the earth's surface is covered by the land and about 71% is covered by water. That means हमारी अर्थ का 29% it is covered by land, 29% पे land area है and about 71% is covered by water और 71% water है हमारी अर्थ सरफेस पे. That means अर्थ पर water is more than land. Water ज़्यादा है, land कम है. Okay, the surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. हमारी अर्थ की जो surface है it is not same everywhere. Some parts are flat and level. कुछ parts flat है and level है. Others are raised और कुछ raised है, raised means उठा हुआ. Landforms are natural features of the earth surface. जो landform होते हैं वो natural feature होते हैं हमारे earth surface पे, artificial नहीं होते और ना ही manual होते हैं. The major landforms of the earth are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts and rivers. That means major landform of the earth: mountain, plateau, plains, deserts and rivers. I repeat this para one more time, beta. The earth is made up of land and water. Our earth is made up of land and water means हमारी earth land और water से मिलकर बनी है. Around 29% of the earth surface is covered by land. हमारी land area, अर्थ पर land area 29% है and 71% is covered by water और अर्थ पर 71% water है. The surface of the earth is not same everywhere. जो अर्थ की surface है सभी जगह एक जैसी नहीं है. Some parts are flat and level. कुछ parts flat है, level है and others are raised और कई parts ऊंचे उठे हुए हैं. Landforms are natural features of the earth surface. Landforms हमारी earth surface के natural features हैं, प्राकृतिक features हैं. The major landforms of the earth are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts and rivers. That means major landform है हमारे अर्थ के mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts और rivers. These are the major landforms. Now let us talk about mountains. Mountains is a landform which rises more than 900 meter above the mean sea level. That means जो mountains है वो landform है which rises that more than 900 meter above the mean sea level. Sea level के ऊपर से अगर हम नापें तो 900 मीटर ऊंचे होते हैं पहाड़. Mountains cover about 20% of the total land area of the earth. That means mountains cover about 20% of the total land area of the earth. अर्थ की total land area 29% है and उसमें से 20% mountains ने cover कर रखा है. Mountains cover 20% of the total land area. Total land area how much? 29%. 29 में से 20% mountains ने cover करके रखा है. Mountains differ in heights and shape. जो mountains होते हैं it is different their shape and height. ये सभी जितने भी mountain होते हैं सभी height और shape दोनों ही इनकी different होती है. They are very steep slopes. जो mountains होते हैं mountains है very steep slopes. Steep slopes means खड़ी ढलान होती है. And the highest peak of the mountain is peak or summit. That means the highest point. ये highest point है mountain का. That is called our peak or summit. जो mountain का highest point होता है इसको हम peak और summit कहते हैं. Mountains peaks are mostly conical in shape. जो mountains के peak होते हैं mostly conical in shape के होते हैं, conical shapes के. So student, did you know which is the highest peak in the world? Yes, you know very well. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. The height and shape of the mountains depends on their age. जो mountains होते हैं उनके height and shape it is depends on their age. The Himalayas and the Alps are young mountain. Himalayas and Alps both are young mountain. Why it is so? Because they are high and have conical shape. The Aravallis and the Appalachians are very old mountains. Why it is so? They are low and have rounded peaks. I repeat this para one more time. Beta, the highest point of the mountain is called peak. जो highest point होता है mountain का that is called peak or summit. Mountain peaks are mostly conical in shape. जो mountain की peak होती है ये mostly conical shape की होती है. The height and the shape of the mountain depends on their age. जो mountain की height और shape होता है it is depend on their age. उनकी age पर depend करते हैं. The Himalayas and Alps both are the example of mountains and they are young mountains. जो हिमालय और एल्प्स है it is the category of young mountain. Young mountain की category में आते हैं. Why it is so? Because they are high. क्योंकि ये बहुत ऊंचे होते हैं and have conical peaks और इनकी peak भी conical होती है. The Aravallis and the Appalachians are very old mountain. Aravalli पर्वत और Appalachians mountain both are old mountain. ये दोनों ही mountain old है. Why it is so? Because they are low. क्योंकि उनकी जो height है वो low है and have rounded peak और उनकी peak भी rounded है. I think is that clear to you student? This is enough to you. Meet you in the next video students.